Hey all, forgot to film the intro, but anyway, doing the switch panel for the boat, and I bought a new toy, and it's awesome. Hope you enjoy. There we go, this is the first time me trying anything like this. Where are we? So it goes that way. Perfect fit. That Dremel is a godsend. It really is. It's like a lifesaver. So there we go, all screwed in. Just got to wire it all now. But this Dremel, so that with this attachment, Dad said if you don't have one, buy one. Seriously.